Understanding the phrase, game of luck, an English learning guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, game of luck. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but a gateway to understanding culture, context, and language nuances. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Game of luck refers to a situation or activity where success or outcome is determined by chance rather than one's own actions or skills. It's often used to describe casino games like roulette or slot machines, but can also be applied metaphorically in various life situations. Understanding this phrase requires grasping the concepts of chance and control in English. To get a better feel for the phrase, let's see it in action. 1. In gambling, playing the lottery is a classic game of luck. 2. In life situations, finding a rare collectible at a flea market is like a game of luck. These examples show how game of luck is versatile, used in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Understanding synonyms enhances language fluency. Here are some phrases similar to game of luck, matter of chance, luck of the draw, roll of the dice. Each of these expressions conveys the role of randomness in an outcome. The phrase is often found in discussions about gambling, risk-taking, and even in casual conversation about everyday uncertainties. In English-speaking cultures, acknowledging the role of luck is common, reflecting an understanding that not everything is within our control. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, game of luck, and its intriguing role in the English language. Remember, language learning is not just about words but the stories and cultures they reflect. Keep exploring and enjoying the journey of English learning.